Hello, children and families. How are you today? I hope you're really good. Today, I'm bringing another book in English. This time, I recommend it for children between 3 and 5 years old. And this is a very special book because it talks about being special and being unique. Like, everyone is different. Everyone looks differently. We have different skin color, different hair, different eye color. We have different sizes, we like different things sometimes, but at the same time we have so many similarities and things that bring us together. So this book talks about it, about a girl, Nita, that she has difficulties talking, so she prefers being upside down until she finds someone. Let's see. I hope you like this book. Why is Nita upside down? Author Roxana Bauer and illustrator Yamini Villajan. Nita's hanging upside down, her long hair tickling at the ground. The trees, the grass, the everything is all the wrong way round. Her feet, they poke into the sky. Little Navi's walking by. He says, I've seen you here before. You are upside down again. What for? His feet swim lightly in the air. She tries to hide behind her hair. It's hard to talk, she says to him. I'm not the same. I don't fit in. Navi takes her by the hand. He wants to help her understand. They climb to Navi's lookout spot. From up here they can see a lot. They perch and have a quiet stare at children playing here and there. They are all doing different things. Those kids are not the same at all. Abe's round. She's freckled. Lala's extra tall. Bam Bam's wild and must run free. While Lily's reading quietly. Look at Freya's crazy hair. And Tim wears glasses everywhere. And me, I'm just skin and bones. And you are you. You are not alone. Each human's sort of strange, you see? That makes you just the same, like me. This world is really one big game. To play, we can't all be the same. Nita feels the right way round, thanks to the new friends she's found. Upside down was never fun. Now she plays with everyone. And this is the end of the story. It was lovely, wasn't it? I really enjoy it. I hope you like it. Let's think about the story. What happens to Nita? How is she feeling? Why she says that she doesn't fit in? What's going on with her? Do you think she's happy? She's sad? How's she feeling? And then what about her new friend? What is he doing? What is he saying to her to help her out? So yeah, let's talk about these things and how his friend and how her friend tried to help her. So yeah, I hope you like this book, and then we can just have a think and how all our friends are different, but at the same time some things they bring us together. No, we have similarities at the same time. So let's just focus on the good things and the similarities rather than the differences. Yeah, so I hope you like this book, and yeah, you can watch it anytime. So yeah, have fun and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.